Good morning everyone, my name is Viswakavi. I'm studying in grade 3 Viswakavi CBSE school. Today I'm going to tell about my Tyler bird nest. This is my Tyler bird nest. The Tyler bird builds the nest with its beak and the materials are they use its strings, the dry leaves and the beak as to stitch, and then the mother bird lays the eggs in the pouch, and then the mother bird feeds the baby until it grows old enough. After they grow old, they leave the nest and never come back. Thank you all. Good morning everyone, my name is Viswakavi. I am studying in third grade in Viswakavi CBSE school. Today I am telling about bird nest. Birds build a nest to lay eggs and raise their nestlings. Nests can be big or small, but birds build a nest on treetops or on the ground or on the roofs of houses. Birds build a nest with materials such as dry leaves, twigs, grass, straw, cotton, wool, and even pieces of land. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Viswakavi. I am studying third class Viswakavi CBSE school. Today I am saying about a bird of nest. A beaver bird uses beak to wave leaves and sing. Unlike their nest, another nest, the beaver bird nest has an opening at the bottom. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. My name is Janani. I am studying grade 3 in Viswakavi CBSE school. Today I am going to say about birds. Birds live on trees. Birds eat fruits, grains, fishes and etc. Our national bird is peacock. Birds. Some people use birds as pets. So many birds are built from so many different houses. Thank you all.